So dear students, today we are going to discuss how to express very large numbers in the standard form. Let us go back to the beginning of the chapter where we said that large numbers can be conveniently expressed using exponents. Now how? Let me take a statement that you know how much is the mass of the earth? The estimated mass of the earth is this much kg. Now numbers like this are very difficult to read and write. So how these numbers are written with the help of exponential forms in the standard form, this we are going to study. Now let us take an example. If I want to write down 59, can I write down 59 as 5.9 into 10 to the power 1? If I have 590, can I write it down as 5.9 into 10 to the power 2? See, 5.9 is 59 upon 10 into 10 to the power 2 means 100 divided by 10. Similarly, if I have 5900, can I write down this as 5.9 into 10 raised to the power 3? So see, this is what we have written the numbers in the standard form. In standard form, we write the numbers, we express the numbers in the powers of 10, and in that decimal is always there after first non-zero digit. Now if I want to express this number in the standard form, here I am not seeing any decimal, and wherever we don't have decimal, that means decimal always lies at the back. जहाँ हमें decimal नज़र नहीं आ रहा, that means decimal is there at the back. So if I want to write down this number, because it is very difficult to read and write such number, now what will I do? I will move the decimal place from this here to first non-zero digit. That means how many places I'll have to move the decimal? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So it can be written as 5.976. You will write till you get all zeros after that. These zeros can be left. Multiply 10 raised to the power that number which the decimal has moved. So decimal has moved here 24 places. So that means the estimated mass of the earth is 5.976 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. So this is how we express very large numbers in the standard form. Suppose I have a number like this. Again, if I want to convert this into standard form, it means decimal lies at the back. Let us see how many places decimal has to move if it wants to go after first non-zero digit, that means after 6. So I want 6.0. So decimal has to move 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. So this can be written as 6.0 into 10 raised to the power 8. See dear students, we are not changing the number. We are just changing its form, which makes it easy to read and write and express. We cannot read out this whole number, but it is very easy to read out this number. It is 5.976 into 10 raised to the power 24. The value of the number is not changing. We are not changing the value of the number. We are just changing its form so as to make it more understandable. Suppose I have 1,253,000,000. So if I want to write down this in the standard form, Again the decimal digit is there at the back. So decimal has to move 9 places to come after first non-zero digit. So it is 10 to the power 9. So this number is written as 1.253 into 10 raised to the power 9. Now suppose I have a number where I'm already having a decimal. So decimal has to move from here to the first non-zero digit, that is after 5. So number will become 5.90836 multiply. Now here the decimal has to move 3 places. So 10 raised to the power 3. If I have a number like this, so here decimal has to move to 4 places, but we are going to write down all non-zero digits. You have to write down the complete number. Multiply 10 raised to the power 4. This is how we write very large numbers in the standard form.